today we're going to do some suffering on the assault bike. Today's workout is just on the assault bike, and we're going to be going for 30 minutes. This workout's going to be tough, but don't worry, it's going to be suited for you if you choose correctly. We're going to go ahead and start this workout. It's every minute on the minute, and we're going to start off with 14 calories or 10 calories on the assault bike. When you finish with those calories, go ahead and give yourself credit for that. If you did 14, you get 14 for that minute. We're going to try to get a perfect score in this workout. But if not, don't worry, we'll record how many calories we did complete. After you finish that first minute of 14 and 10, we move to the second minute. We will go ahead and reset our bike by pressing the start button or stop button twice, and we'll go ahead and start that second minute. That second minute is going to be 18 calories for the men and 13 calories for the women. This is going to be a push. You're going to need to grit your teeth, and you're going to have to bear down and get it done. If you get the full number of calories within that time frame, go ahead and give yourself credit. The third minute is an active recovery spin. So when you're completing that bigger set of calories on the assault bike, you want to have that mindset of like, I know I get to rest after this. So I'll be able to recover and feel okay for the next effort. Active recovery spinning is going to be on the bike and just slowly pedaling, trying to flush the blood that's kind of built up in our legs and giving us an opportunity to kind of breathe and recover. Okay, we're not going to just stop and do nothing. We're going to go ahead and go into some active movement. All right, believe it or not, that's going to help you flush and get ready for that next segment. Once you finish those 3 minutes, that's going to conclude that one round, and we're going to go ahead and complete 10 rounds of that. Now, some of you are kind of freaking out probably right now, thinking like, how am I going to get those calories done? Don't worry. You can go ahead and try to get them done and just give yourself credit for however many you get, or I have a whole list of scaling options for those calories. And the goal here is to try to find one that's best suited for you and that allows you to challenge yourself but does give you a little bit of rest. Just for notes, that second minute, that bigger set of calories should give you a little bit of leeway, maybe 5 to 10 seconds before the minute expires, and then you have the whole other minute afterwards for that active recovery spin. So keep that in mind. Now, even if you're a little too conservative on the selection of calories for the scaled option, don't worry, okay? That just means I want you to get there faster in the minute. If you decide that you're going to go ahead and do 5 calories and then in the middle of the workout, you get this burst of energy and now all of a sudden it's easy. Well, I don't want you to go faster. And I want you to try to complete those 5 calories as quickly as possible. Yeah, you'll have some time to rest, but that's one way to make it challenging. And again, every minute you go ahead and complete calories, go ahead and log that, and you'll get credit for that. Our score today will be total completed calories within the 30 minutes. We're not going to count any active recovery calories, all right, because, well, that's not what we're doing. So if we're going to do a perfect score of RX, that means the men have completed 320 calories and the women would have completed 230. The math is done for you for any scaling options as well. So just go ahead and look in those athlete notes of SugarWOD to kind of see more details and more scales.